Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here at Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort here at Universal Orlando. This is one of their top resorts here on property and I can't wait to show you all inside and in the room. Before we get on with the tour here of Sapphire Falls, I want to give a huge shout out to my friends Tim and Katie. They're actually the ones staying here and were nice enough to let me come around and check out the resort as well as their room. Their channel is going to be linked down below. Go check it out. So everyone, here's the front of the resort here at Lowe's Sapphire Falls. This is the Port of Cashier where you can come park your car, check in. They do also have valet at this resort as well. It is such a pretty main entrance to the resort. But enough of the outside, let's head on in. Remember everyone, if you enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm so excited to show you all Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort here at Universal Orlando. Well everyone, we have made it into the lobby here at Sapphire Falls. Look at this cool chandelier in the middle of the lobby. This place is absolutely massive, and in a little bit I'm gonna go take you all to see the view in the back. It is absolutely amazing, but let's check around more of the lobby. To the right of the entrance, everyone, is a little lounge area that you can relax in while waiting to leave, waiting to check in, whatever you desire, but it is really cool and definitely a relaxing place to chill. To the left of the doors is the luggage services. This is where your bags are going to go. They can take them up to your room, pick them up from your room, or you can store them when you're at the parks. Just to the left or the right of the doors, depending on how you're coming in, here is where you can check in to your room as well as check out. They have a ton of desks here, but a very long line. It is a super busy weekend here at Universal. All right, everyone, to the right of the main lobby is the Universal Studio Store. Let's go inside and see if we can find any Sapphire Falls merchandise. All right, everyone, I have found the Lowe's Sapphire Falls merchandise. Here is a long sleeve tee, as well as a Sapphire Falls polo, shot glasses, and a coffee mug. Looks like they have some ornaments, luggage tags, pens, and then a tank top as well. They have coasters, picture frames, playing cards, beach towels, and a bag. And just like every other Universal gift shop, they have Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, Dr. Seuss, Simpsons, and many more. Right across from the Universal gift shop is the Vacation Planning Center where you can purchase or pick up your tickets, and as well as upgrade your tickets if you do please. To the left of the Universal Studio Store is the New Dutch Trading Co., which is a breakfast spot here. Here is what the New Dutch Trading Co. looks inside. Kind of like a little coffee shop. I have heard nothing but great things about this place, and it is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. so you can definitely get some breakfast items before heading to the parks early in the morning. Here in the main lobby is one of their restaurants, Strong Water Tavern. This does not open up till 5 p.m. but you get an amazing view out in the back, especially on the balcony. Next to Strong Water Tavern is this cool little lounge area in the back with the crazy view of Islands of Adventure and also a cool TV to watch while you're relaxing. Everyone, here is the view from the back of the main lobby. As you can see, there's this cool waterfall structure down here, and there is where you can pick up the boats to the parks as well as City Walk. Here is the main staircase here in the main lobby that takes you all the way down, and I'm about to tell you where it takes you. So right now we're here in the lobby. Level 2 is the pool, fitness center, and guest house 3, and level 1 is the cookhouse, water taxi, and resort shuttle. Before we get to the pool, everyone, here is the Calypso game zone. It does not look like it's open, and definitely a lot smaller than the game room at Cabana Bay. Across from Calypso game zone, everyone, is the Kalina Health and Fitness Center. Has everything you need for an awesome workout, and it is open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Here on the first floor, everyone, is Amatista Cookhouse, one of the restaurants here at Sapphire Falls. Here they do offer a breakfast, lunch, and dinner option. Right past the restaurant here on the first floor, everyone, is the water taxi and resort shuttle access. It is through these double doors and on your way to adventure here at Universal Orlando. Here is the trail to the water taxi and resort shuttle, everyone. Here to the left is the water taxi that you can take, like I was saying earlier, to Universal City Walk and the theme parks. And here, if we continue down this walkway, as you all can see the buses over there, you take this to City Walk and the theme parks as well, and this is also your way to Volcano Bay. Now, if you do not want to take the bus or the shuttle to the parks, you can continue on this walkway called the Garden Walkway here to the left, and it is about a 10 to 15 minute walk to the theme parks and City Walk. This is such a nice thing to do at night, especially if you don't feel like waiting in lines for the buses or water taxi. So like I was saying, you have 3 ways to access City Walk and the theme parks. You have the water taxi, you have the resort shuttles, and you have the Garden Walk. The Garden Walk is really relaxing and is about a 10 to 15 minute walk from Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort. If there are any resorts here in the Orlando area that I have not checked out on my channel that you all want me to go check out, maybe you're planning to stay there in the future, or maybe you're just wanting to see what it looks like, let me know down below in the comments. We are T-minus 2 weeks away from Disneyland, everyone, and I cannot wait. We are now outside at the pool area, everyone. Let's go check out their pool. Here at Sapphire Falls, everyone, there are cabanas that you can rent through the resort activity team members. That way you can have a nice, relaxing space to yourself while relaxing here at the pool. All right, everyone, here is the pool here at Sapphire Falls. It starts way back there and kind of winds itself all the way back here where the slide ends. A very cool pool and a very large pool here at Sapphire Falls. Here is the slide, everyone. Now, unfortunately, I do not have my bathing suit with me, so I will not be able to test this slide out for you all, but it does look a lot more fun than the Cabana Bay slide we were on the other day. Here is the Drum Club, everyone, which looks like is the poolside bar. Very cool theming in this little like cave area. Really, really cool. Here in the middle, everyone, is a huge fire pit that they put on at night. That way you can just chill and relax with the fire on a great night here at Universal Orlando. I will say one thing about Sapphire Falls. There is a ton of lounge area here. A ton of seats to find. It's literally impossible not to find a seat here and relax while you're on vacation at Universal Orlando. Here towards the back of the pool area, everyone, is a little splash pad for kids to play in if they do not want to swim in the pool. Well guys, I think I'm gonna have to say Sapphire Falls has an amazing pool area with a ton to do. There was a hot tub there, obviously it's closed. Splash pad, slide, everything. It's a great pool, and I think I'm gonna have to say it is a better pool area than Cabana Bay. We are now on the other side of the pool area, everyone, and as you can see, here is the waterfall outlook area, and it is absolutely stunning. Sapphire Falls is such an amazing resort, everyone. Now it is time to leave the waterfall overview and head to the room to show you guys what the rooms look like here. Let's go. We are now heading to the room, everyone, which is located in Guest House 2. Look how cool this hallway is. You get the pool view, you've got the water taxi view. A cool thing to see when you're heading back to your room. Just to show you all how close you are to the other resorts, right there is Lowe's Royal Pacific by the water taxi. And right behind the pool area, those buildings way in the back there, that is Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. Both resorts are walking distance from here. So everyone, Royal Pacific here at Universal is kind of like their version of Disney's Polynesian Beach Resort. Alright everyone, we have now entered the room here at Sapphire Falls. When you enter into the left, you have a mirror. You know what we gotta do. Wave hello every time we see a mirror. Move on over and we have the bathroom over here to the left. The sink obviously, and down below you have storage with some extra towels in there as well. Over here you have the bar soap, tissues, a makeup mirror, and then the large mirror here, which I believe if you touch this button, boom, it lights up. So everyone, there actually is a brightness level on this thing. So that's off, obviously. You hit it once, that's on, level 1, level 2, level 3. So you can, you know, brighten up the lights a little bit more if you need a little bit more light. And then if you hit it 4th time, even brighter. Hit it again, and it's off. over here to the left of the sink is the bathroom. So unlike Cabana Bay, the toilet and the shower are in the same room. Now, the shower here is a lot nicer than the one at Cabana Bay. It is an actual full shower. I do love the idea of one room being the shower and one room being the bathroom. But other than that, it is a pretty simple bathroom, but a really, really nice shower here. And then right next to the bathroom, or I should say right behind the bathroom, is a double door closet. Here you will have your ironing board, iron, safe, hangers, some extra pillows, and blanket for your stay. So we are now entering into the main bedroom. This is a standard room here at Sapphire Falls. Once again, thank you Tim and Katie for letting us tour your room. Here in the room, there is 2 queen-size beds here. Obviously, just like Cabana Bay, you have the metal underneath the bed, which is not like Disney where you can store things. So unfortunately, you cannot store things underneath your bed. But a plus to that, you can't lose anything under your bed too. So that is kind of nice. Here in the middle area, you have the side table here with a clock, some Sapphire Falls hand sanitizer, phone, and then you have some bedside lights that just turn on with a flick of a button, just like that. And on the beds as well, you have this major bedside light that you just flick on with the button to provide some extra light in the room or light for reading at night. Across from the beds is the flat screen TV with extra storage space. One of these I think has to be a mini fridge. Bingo, we opened the right one. There's the mini fridge here. Also, your remote is covered up in plastic, meaning it is safe to use and sanitary. The big TV over here to the left is the coffee maker, with cream, different types of coffee, coffee cups. To the left of that is the desk area. You have a chair. You don't really have much space between the chair and the bed, but here's a nice desk space. You have some utensils, ice, and then a pretty painting of the beach, as well as a lamp on the table, a map of Sapphire Falls, and then, just an extra storage drawer here. So to the right of the bed, next to the window, is this extra chair, just in case you want to sit down, watch TV, relax, and you don't feel like sitting in your bed. Behind that is another lamp, and then here is the view. So this room has a view of, is this a lake, a river, a lake?
I just kept calling it a waterway.
Gotcha, true. So everyone, this room has a view of the waterway. As you can see, there is the water taxi taking guests to and from City Walk, as well as the theme parks. Across the way is Royal Pacific, and all the way over there, if you can see, right next, I'm going to point my finger to it, right there is the parking garage for Universal Orlando. And you can see fun spot in the back, but no theme park view here, as literally the theme parks are right where that building is. So unfortunately, no theme park view in this room, but they do offer theme park room views as well. But this is a very peaceful and amazing view. I really loved Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort. Maybe one day I will come back and do an actual staycation, go hang out at the pool, show you all the different things to do here at the resort, obviously test the water slide. But once again, thank you Tim and Katie for allowing us to come and tour your room. A huge thank you to you. Once again, their channel is down below. If there are any other resorts in the Orlando area that you all want me to check out, make sure to let me know down below in the comments, because there are still a ton of resorts to show off. But that is going to be it for today's video. If you all enjoyed the video here at Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and ring that bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. It was a lot of fun. If you all have ever stayed here, let me know down below in the comments as well. This was super fun. I love this resort. I will definitely be back, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.